What is up guys, Buon Giorno, this is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of Italian pasta that is usually made from potatoes, but that can be made from semolina or normal wheat flour. We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation gnocchi. Yes, double CH in Italian sound like the letter K, so just replace those letters with a K and it'll make a lot more sense, gnocchi. To insist on the first syllable, on the O in particular, and say gnocchi to really sound genuinely Italian. Gnocchi, gnocchi. Gnocchi di patate, potatoes, gnocchi. If you want to learn more useful Italian words from cooking, types of pasta and much more, here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Arrivederci, ciao ciao.